Howdy guys, how you going? Welcome back. Alright, today my Oreo Truffles. 3 ingredients, awesomely yummy, look fantastic. Let's do this. Alright, so first of all you need 250 grams of cream cheese, okay? I got the light one accidentally because I didn't take my glasses when we were out shopping. And I ended up with light, but yeah, I like the full proper one, okay? So 250 grams of that. You got to put it in a bowl, set it aside for half an hour until it goes to room temperature, nice and soft. Now all up you need 3.5 packets of Oreos. These are 137 gram packs, alright? We want three packets for the mix, and we want half a pack to do the pretty stuff on top. So I've already done 2, alright? So what you do is you get your Oreos and you've got to crush them all up. Whatever way you can. If you've got a processor thingy, what do you call it, rolling pin. I'm just going to use a hammer, so I just thought I'll do 1 pack and show you. So I've chucked them all in a freezer bag. Get a hammer, always leave a bag open so you don't pop your bag. Alright, this is the best way to do it, I reckon. Make sure you smash them all up. You want to smash that pretty good. Okay, once you've got that done, alright, like I said, I've already put 2 packs in there, so here's the 3rd pack in with your cream cheese. Alright, mix it up really, really good. Alrighty. Once you've mixed it in properly, alright, get yourself 3 plates. I'm out of plates at the minute, so I've just got bowls. But get yourself 3 or something, because what you want to do is you want to roll them into like plates or bowls of 10. So when you pull them out after, so we can dip them in the chocolate, you only have to pull out 10 at a time, so you can keep the rest nice and hard, because they'll start going soft as you're dipping them, and we don't want that. You just want half a big spoon, and just roll it into balls. I managed to roll 37 of them. Alright, cover them in Glad wrap, and you want to put them in the fridge now for 2 hours to go nice and hard, so we can dip them in chocolate. Right, the next thing we need to do is to get half a pack of Oreos. You want to take the white out of them, push them apart, take the white off. Alright, and put them in something so you can crush them all. Once you've got them all, oh, they were easy, yesterday, I was a bit cold. So once you've scraped, I'll just make sure you can see, scraped it all off, and you've just got the Oreos, you want to crunch them all down, okay, and this is what we're going to sprinkle over the top when we've coated them in the white chocolate. So 2 hours is up. So now we want to melt our chocolate down. So I get a saucepan and I 3/4 fill it with water, and then I get a heat-proof bowl, whatever sort you've got, and put it on top. I'm using the Nestle's white chocolate melts, but it doesn't matter which ones you use. 290 grams. I'm going to try 1 bag to start with and see what happens. So you want to put all your melts in the bowl, put it on the stove. Once the water starts boiling, keep an eye on your chocolate and keep constantly stirring it, and as soon as it's melted, bring it off the stove. Get yourself a tea towel on the bench, because you want to leave your chocolate in there to keep it constantly hot while we're dipping them in. So the chocolate's melted. Alright, so you've got to have your crushed Oreos ready to go. Get yourself flat plates or little oven trays or anything you can get, and put some alfoil in them. Now make sure you've got a fork, and I just use a wooden skewer, but those things that you put in the ends of your corn, they're really good to use, just whatever you can find. Alright, so make sure you got them ready, and you want a clean cloth, wet cloth ready, rinsed out cloth. So every time you do one, you can clean off your skewer and your fork straight away, because you need it clean at each one you do, and you shouldn't have a problem. Okay, first thing we do is get our bowl, stick the skewer in. Alright, dip it in the chocolate. So as you get low with your chocolate, you can use your spoon to tip your chocolate on them once you get too low to dip it. Alright. Pain in the ass of the spoon now. Can you see from there? No. Well, if I do that. Alright. So you just dip it in and then you bang it on the edge. And see how I'm hoping you can see from there. Hang on. Alright, see how I'm banging on it and it's slowly getting all the excess chocolate off? Because if you don't do this, your chocolate will just be too thick and they won't be nice at all. Alright, once you've done that, because they're so hard, it won't just fall out like they would normally. So put them on your alfoil and get your fork and put the two ends of the fork in. And alright, once you've done that, you can get a little bit of chocolate on your fork and just seal up the hole. And it doesn't matter if it's not perfect, because I'll show you why. Alright, once you've sealed that up as much as you can, you get a bit of your Oreo crumbs and you sprinkle it on the top. And it totally covers it up. So I'll just zoom in if I can. And hopefully, thanks to that, you can see that. And you just keep going and going. Aren't they gorgeous? Okay, so once you've finished them all, you put them in the fridge uncovered for an hour. Once they've been in the fridge for an hour, you want to put them in airtight containers and keep them in the fridge. And I can tell you, I know they last at least a week and a half. I've never had them last longer than that to know how much longer they last. But I know it's a good week and a half, as long as they're in airtight containers and in the fridge. The other thing too is they won't taste very nice the first day you make them. I don't know why, but they'll still taste nice, but they won't taste really nice. The next day, once they've been in the fridge overnight, oh, they just get nicer and nicer as time goes on. So yeah, just a couple of little tricks and hints there. Thanks heaps for watching, guys. Have yourselves a great day. Look at those Oreo truffles. Oh, I suppose I should probably crack one in half. Just, I don't know if you're going to be able to see. Oh, look at that. See what I mean by nice? Oh, let me see. How close can I get? I'll try leaving it there. Oh, look at that. See what I mean by if you make sure you get all your excess chocolate off, look how thin and beautiful you can get that chocolate. Bye.